My name is Dr. Drea Letamendi. I'm an assistant clinical director at CAPS, Counseling and Psychological Services at UCLA, and the core program director. Arriving at UCLA as a new graduate student can be exciting because there's so many things to discover, and yet a lot of graduate students experience worry, anxiousness, and uncertainty about what's ahead. Mental well-being is so critical for the graduate student experience, especially because there are specific stressors and challenges that we might experience in graduate school, whether it's being away from friends and family, enduring many years of being in the role of a student, or experiencing something specific to your particular academic specialty. There is an array of services available for graduate students, including individual and group therapy, drop-in spaces at the Graduate Student Center, as well as online services for peer support. There's also RISE, our Resilience Center, which offers all students, including graduate students, who are looking for non-clinical services. What that means is that they may be interested in group workshops around resilience, well-being, stress management, procrastination, and prevention services. They also have drop-ins at the center at Laval, and those drop-ins are available for students who may be interested in speaking with someone about advising and coaching for persevering for their academics, maybe social or interpersonal effectiveness, or just speaking with someone in a setting that's more of a community center and not necessarily a therapy or counseling center. CAP stands for Counseling and Psychological Services at UCLA, and offers all registered students, including graduate students, mental health support, services, and resource advising. Graduate students can reach out to CAPS in a number of ways. One is to call the CAPS 24/7 line, which is on the back of your Bruin card. That's the most efficient, quickest way to get a hold of CAPS and not only ask about services, but also receive clinical consultation. That number is available 24/7 and is also a crisis line. Graduate therapy groups are especially important and could be helpful for graduate students. One is the dissertation group, which helps graduate students work through and persevere during difficult times, especially if they're working on their dissertation. Another is a graduate support group, just for graduate students to get together and talk about all the unique things that they might be experiencing, such as exam stress, isolation, being away from family, and other specific difficulties that graduate students might experience. And then there's a graduate students of color therapy group, which is offered every quarter for students who want to be in community with others and discuss more nuanced experience they may be having as minoritized students.